shop. Today we're going to do a project review on 1988 Dodge W150 and get you up to speed on everything we've done to get that truck to the point that it is today. Let's watch the show intro. I'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike and this is My Car's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
Before we get into the project review, and let me explain what that is. Project review is just simply going back and getting you up to speed on everything I've done on that truck to get it to the point that it is today, so that as we move forward on it, you know what all's been done. So we've got a slideshow and some video and things that I dug out of the archives from 2014. Can you believe it's been that long? That's crazy. Also, unbelievably so, but this is our 200th episode on My Car's Shop. Yay! Unbelievable, 200 episodes. I want to thank you. You guys have stuck with. We keep growing. You guys watch the stuff I put out. You keep commenting. You keep giving me feedback. I think the show just keeps getting better and better because we are working together on it. So to celebrate 200, there's a couple things that are going to happen. I'm probably going to do something else at another time to really celebrate because I just don't have the time right now to do that. Second thing is, stay tuned for a special announcement at the very end of this episode because there's something coming that you're going to want to be aware of. All right, so let me give you a little background on what this is. The slideshow here, the video starts out with where that truck was in 2014 when it was parked behind the barn. Before I tore off all the old rusty metal and then bolted on all the stuff that you currently see. So if you watch the other couple episodes, you kind of see where it's at now. This is what gets you up to that point. So let's go through and watch that and see what's going on, and then we'll meet right back here. So don't go away. We'll meet right back here and we'll talk about a couple other things and then we'll make that special announcement. All right, let's get into it.
It's alive! It's alive!
Pretty crazy, huh? A lot's happened. Rusty floor pans, new doors, new fenders. There's one repair job that I did that isn't on there. The passenger side rear cab mount was settled, and it wasn't the rubber, it was actually the cab itself. It wasn't rusted out, but I think that truck, well, I know that truck was in an accident, and I think things were bent, so we lifted up the back of the cab. We got new fuel lines on it at that same time. So there was a lot done, and all that needs to be done now is to get a wheel cylinder on the back, run some brake line, put some new drums and shoes on the back, and it's all done. We just got to finish it up. So that's what's coming soon on that. And yes, I promised you wouldn't see that truck until the topper was gone. So you notice that there's no pictures of that truck right now because I'm so ashamed of myself. I still haven't gotten that old topper off my 2002 plow truck. So that gets you up to speed on this project. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now, don't go away. Special announcement coming. Don't go. I promise. So here's where we're at. Been talking with Jessica at Super Clean, and she's been encouraging me to do another drawing for Super Clean products. I put that off for a while because of summer and busyness, but I think it's time to get that drawing done. So watch for a special episode coming soon where we'll announce the details of our next Super Clean giveaway, because that's coming real soon and you're not going to want to miss out on that. I know that Rob had won last time, and he's been enjoying that product, and I heard back from him on that, and he was very appreciative. So let's get those, be ready for the announcement coming on this giveaway, because I think it's probably going to be coming in the next episode. I just have a couple details that I want to work out. All right. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do hit the bell so you receive those notifications. We're on Facebook and Instagram /MyCarShop. And one more thing you don't want to forget. It's important. Rock!